Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to add the Zoho Vault Chrome Extension. This handy tool is perfect for managing and organizing your passwords securely and efficiently. By the end of this guide, you'll have Zoho Vault installed and ready to use directly from your browser. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the Google Apps icon. It looks like a little grid or waffle. Click on it, and a menu will appear showing various Google services. From this menu, select Chrome Web Store, which is where you can find and install extensions, including Zoho Vault. Once you're in the Chrome Web Store, find the search bar at the top left and type in Zoho Vault. As you type, suggestions will appear. Click on Zoho Vault from the list. You'll be taken to its dedicated page where you can see information about the extension, including reviews and a brief overview of its features. Next, look for the blue button that says Add to Chrome and click it. Chrome will ask for your confirmation and show a dialog box detailing the permissions Zoho Vault needs to function, such as reading and changing data on websites you visit. If you're okay with this, click Add Extension. Once installed, it's a good idea to pin Zoho Vault for quick access. Click the puzzle piece icon near the top right of Chrome to open the Extensions menu. Find Zoho Vault and click the small pin next to it. This will keep the extension visible on your Chrome toolbar at all times. Now let's make sure everything is working. Click the Zoho Vault icon in your toolbar. You'll be prompted to enter your master password, which protects all the information in your vault. Type it in carefully, then click Open Zoho Vault. And just like that, your extension is ready. You can now manage your passwords seamlessly right from Chrome, autofill login details, and stay more secure online. That's it. By following these steps, you've successfully added and set up the Zoho Vault Chrome extension. Managing your passwords has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tech tips and tutorials.